coming for the throne.
Even many 4G phones out there. We wanted to tailor a product experience that feels comfortable and easy even after extended periods of usage. Moving on to the display, we've used a 6.5-inch full screen display. We feel this is a sweet spot when it comes to screen sizes, large enough to enjoy your content, yet it's ergonomic. We also have 16.7 million colors, and brightness levels actually go up to 600 nits in outdoor sunlight. 5G, which makes it ultra smooth. Whether you're scrolling through a browser or playing a compatible game, your eyes will be treated to smooth fluidity. A big news for the Realme 8 5G. At the core of this smartphone sits a powerful Dimensity 700 5G processor, one of the latest 5G processors in the market. In fact, the CPU, it combines two highly capable ARM Cortex-A76 cores in its octa-core CPU, clocked at up to 2.2 GHz. Now, looking at current 4G and a last-gen 5G processor, the highest frequency of the MediaTek Helio G95 is up to 2.05 GHz. Compared to the previous generation Dimensity processor, the clock comes with the powerful ARM Mali G57, clocked at 950 MHz. It integrates a 5G modem with advanced 5G dual SIM dual standby support. And let me tell you a little secret, there are many flagship processors that lack this capability. According to our test results, in a lab environment, 5G downlink speed of the Realme 8 5G can reach as high as 2.77 GB per second. Consumes more battery power, which eventually shortens the battery life of the phone. To combat this, we've developed smart 5G power saving to increase battery life and match your daily usage. To worry about going offline even when your battery is extremely low. In fact, according to our test results, with the super power saving mode, even if there's only 5% battery left, your phone can stand by for 34.2 hours. That's more than a day. You can even listen to music for up to 5.9 hours or have 2.1 hours of continuous phone calls and video streaming, or even 31 hours of calling, although I don't know who you're calling for 31 hours. As for charging, the phone features 18-watt quick charge and comes with an 18-watt charger in the box. Sports events and more, anytime, anywhere. Cutting-edge smartphone photography has played a huge role in this success. So the possibilities from a smartphone camera in the 5G era is going to be endless. So to prepare our users for it, we've introduced a 48 megapixel nightscape camera. Let's start with the hardware first. We've provided 3 cameras to let everyone shoot diverse photos on the Realme 8 5G. The 48 megapixel high definition primary camera, the black and white portrait lens, and a 4 centimeter macro lens. Just watch these stunning samples. I mean, aren't these photos just magnificent? The daylight performance is easily comparable to some flagship devices. The colors are also reproduced well with excellent details. The nightscape performance is also equally excellent. Thanks to a large f/1.8 aperture and a multi-frame synthesis algorithm, we can see clear and qualities are also equally remarkable. The front 16 megapixel camera is equipped with a large f/2.1 aperture and every detail so that our users can enjoy an all-round quality and have a comprehensive experience. For one, by the hassle of choosing between dual SIM or expanding storage. This is also a new and upgraded version when it comes to storage, because the internal expansion capability has increased from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. The drawbacks caused by insufficient RAM, and to create more memory, we've implemented a new dynamic RAM expansion technology, or the faster, smoother, and safer experience. Realme UI 2.0 is highly customizable and supports more than 100 customizable items, including global theme color, 3 styles of dark mode, icon customization, and many more. Dimensity 700 5G processor built on a power-efficient 7nm process. It is one of the most powerful processors in its segment. It is also the lightest 5G phone in the segment.
It comes in a super slim and lightweight body with the beautiful colors of supersonic blue and supersonic black. For our fans in India, it is available in 2 variants with 4GB 128GB, priced at rupees 14,999, and 8GB 128GB, priced at rupees 16,999. I hope